Hello, flute friends. This is a warm-up for beginning band students who just learned their instrument. Maybe you know 3 notes. Those notes would be D, E flat, and F. D. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Great. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2. All right, nice. Now that we've done that, we're going to move on to the E flat note. 1, 2. We're going to do that again. E flat for as long as we possibly can on one breath. 1, 2. Great. Now we're going to move on to the last note that we know, the F note. Here we go. An F as long as we can on one single breath. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, here we go one more time on the F note on one breath for as long as we can. 1, 2. Bye-bye.